Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add OneDrive images to Microsoft OneNote in the real time. So the idea here is that whenever you upload a new image in your OneDrive account, you want the same image to get uploaded into the OneNote account. For that, we need to create a link between OneDrive and OneNote so that whenever a new image is uploaded in OneDrive, the same image gets uploaded on the OneNote account automatically. So first let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works, and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my OneDrive account where I have uploaded two images or two pictures over here, and this is my Microsoft OneNote account where I have created a section named My Section. So now I want that whenever I upload a new image over here in my OneDrive account, automatically the same image should be uploaded to the OneNote account over here. So I'm just going to upload a new image. So I'll select the file from my system and I'll just select the file as traveler's image over here. Okay, and here we can see that a new image named travelers.jpg is uploaded over here. So now let us check our OneNote account. I'm just going to refresh it. And here we can find a new file name, that is travelers. And here we can see that the new image has been uploaded over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just uploaded an image over here in my OneDrive account and automatically the same image is uploaded to my OneNote account also. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between OneDrive and OneNote, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating OneDrive with OneNote automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the images that we have uploaded into the OneDrive account, and using those details automatically the same image is getting uploaded on the OneNote account. And in this way we are going to learn how we can create an integration between OneDrive and OneNote using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add OneDrive images to OneNote. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the images to be captured from OneDrive. So open this trigger window and here in the choose app, let us find Microsoft OneDrive. In the trigger event, we have to select new file, click on connect, click on add new connection and connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Let this app access your info. So it is asking for the access. I'll just click on yes. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the OneDrive account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my OneDrive account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your OneDrive account. Now here we have to set the folder path. So I'll just take you to my OneDrive account. Here I have created few folders. I'll just take you to my folders. Okay. So now I want that the images to be uploaded into this particular folder, that is pictures. So I'm just going to give the same name here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to add the name as pictures over here. In the event type, we have to select new file created. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us upload a new image on the OneDrive account over here. So I'm just going to click on upload, files, and I'm just going to my pictures section of my system. Okay, and here I'm just going to select this image, that is best click. The image is getting uploaded. Okay, and here we can see that the image is uploaded. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the image are captured over here. Here we can see the image created date and time. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the image name, image size, web URL and all other details related to the image. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So now here we can see that the image name is having bestclick.jpg. But we don't want to include .jpg into the OneNote while this particular image is getting uploaded on OneNote. So I just want to trim this .jpg. For that, I'll just come to this action window, open it, and here in the choose app, let us find text formatter. And in the action event, we have to select split text. We are just going to split the text. Let's click on connect. Now here we have to map the name of the image, that is best image. Let us select the name from Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, and here we can find the name of the image, that is bestclick.jpg. Here we have to give the separator. Enter the character, special characters are allowed, or the word separator to split the text on. For space as a separator, use space. Okay, so we want to separate it using this particular .jpg. So I'm just giving the separator as dot over here. Now here we have to select the segment index. So I'm just going to select the segment index as first over here, just because I want to split the text from the first part. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can find the responses received and the result as best click, and .jpg is separated from the image name. So now we want to upload the same image to OneNote. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. In the choose app, let us find OneNote. In the action event, we have to select create HTML note in section. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with OneNote. Let this app access your info. Okay, so let's click on yes and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the OneNote account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the notebook name. So I'll just take you to my OneNote account. Now here I have created two notebooks over here, that is image book and Ashi's notebook. So I want the images to be uploaded to this particular notebook, that is image book. Okay. So I am selecting image book over here. Now here we have to select this section. So I'll just take you to my image book. Here we can find my section. So I want the images to be added to this my section. So let us select my section over here. Okay. Now here we have to give the title. So we have already got a new title from here, that is best click. We have removed .jpg file from this particular file name. So let us map this title over here from text formatter as best click. Now here we have to give the content. So the content will be the image URL. So in order to upload the image URL, we are using HTML tag over here. Okay. After that, I'm just going to map the image URL over here. Okay, let us close the tag. Now here we have to give date and time. So let us map the date and time. This is the created date and time. Okay, so we have mapped all the fields over here. Now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our image book, that is the OneNote book. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that a new image named best click is uploaded here in my OneNote account in my section. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to the OneDrive account once again. And here in the My Files, Pictures, I'm just going to upload one more picture. So let us select the images from the system. Okay, and let us select the image. I'll just scroll down. Real photographer. Okay, let us select this one. Image is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and here we can see that the image is uploaded. Now let us check our OneNote account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find a new file name, that is real photographer. I'm just going to open it. And here we can find that the image real photographer is uploaded over here in my OneNote account. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the image that we have uploaded on the OneDrive account. Then we have used text formatter just to split the text of the file name because the file name was including .jpg. So we have split the text, and then using all these details, automatically a new image is uploaded into the OneNote account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can create an integration between Microsoft OneDrive and OneNote using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.